What's up everybody, it's your boy. It's my first YouTube video. My name's Dominique Buck, also known as LEGNA. I am a amateur vinyl rapper in the making to be a pro vinyl rapper. I have a 2015 Stage 2 Fiesta ST, and today's video isn't about vinyl rapping, it's about these new LED lights that I got. Things one-handed. It's not that. It's not that. No. Okay. Sea lights. These are the ones I got. I got the ultra white. These are the. Check. These are the Series 12. 6000K. Let's check it out. Alright, looks like we come with an instruction manual. Pretty basic packaging, which I enjoy because they probably put a lot more money into the actual product. And those are the lights right there. Wow. These are really nice. Wow, these are really nice. I like that they got the flat base right here. Like I said, my Fiesta is Stage 2, so I'm going to be putting out more content. So today we're going to install these, so let's get to it.
I know it doesn't make any sense, but you'll see for yourself soon.
So we're outside in sunny Florida, and I'm going to see if I can do this without reading the instruction manual. Usually I'm pretty good without reading an instruction manual, pretty savvy with cars. Not the best, but let's see if we can do it. Ignore this dusty mess. I will be cleaning this. Got a car show this weekend, so I'm going to be cleaning this. And we do have more content coming because I have an intake coming from Whoosh Motorsports. So also have a blow-off valve adapter to install, a turbo elbow, inlet elbow to install, and I'm pretty sure I'm getting more parts. I already installed the levels, performance, intercooler, front mount intercooler. So we got a lot to do to this car. So the first thing to do would be to pull off the lights with a T-bit. So we're gonna use a T-bit to get these off really quick. Forgot a very important part. We're gonna go ahead and show you what the headlights, stock headlights look like right now. And then we'll compare them once I install the first set. So, press the button. There we go. And that's what the first set, very yellow, you know what I mean? It's still bright, but very yellow, and I don't like it at all. All right, I pulled the headlight out and the lights that we're going to install. Not the high beams, we're going to do the low beams, which is that light right there. There we have it. That's the OEM light with the plug on the end. Came from right out of here. So we're going to replace it with the new ones. All right, so what I love about these guys are these LED lights came with new gloves, and these are just like vinyl wrap gloves. So I'm definitely going to take care of these, and this is awesome. And like I said, ladies and gentlemen, no manual. I'm not a car expert. Well, I kind of am. Been around cars my whole life, but pretty simple. A 5-year-old could do this. All it is unplug that and plug it right in, right here. Another thing we need to make sure that we do right is to make sure the positive and negative is the same, because we do not want to do that wrong. That's something I didn't look at, but it's showing that it matches right up. Okay, I looked it up on YouTube, and it looks like the plus minus sign for the plug, if you can see it, there it is right there. That goes on the top side, right here on the top side. And nothing really a problem. I just kind of stuffed it in there. Not too ugly, just kind of nice and neat in there. And go ahead and put the cap back on and test it out. Okay, got that back on. So we got the headlight back on and installed. So we're gonna tighten this down. Alright, let's check it out. And press the button. And let's check it out. Oh wow. Look at that. Look at the difference in that. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's that white I was looking for. Wow. And you guys can see right there. So much better. So much brighter, clearer than the regular low beam lights that are OEM. So yeah, sea lights. So just do the reverse process. I mean the process on the right hand side. All right, install the right side. Let's check it out, both sides. Uh-oh, we did something wrong. Something's not on. Oh, we didn't plug it in. What? I'm an idiot. I am an idiot. All right, I plugged it back in. Let's check it out. Boom. Just like that. Way better. Next, we're gonna do the fog lights. Those are the ones we're gonna do. But that looks amazing. I like that. Yes, sir. Got the girlfriend with me. Wow, so much brighter. And we still got the lights, like, look at that. That looks so clean. Looks mean. I like it. So yeah, everybody, this is nighttime. I'm gonna show you guys while I'm driving as well. But look how bright that is. That's with the light shining down on it. Yeah, so now we're driving and it looks so much clearer. It's all about the little things with me, you know what I mean? Like, this was only like $30 on Amazon. Sea lights. And it makes it so much clearer, so much brighter on the road. So, got more content coming. Stay tuned. Peace. Go ahead and engage the missiles.